Showtime, a-holes. It'll be here any minute.
Okay, I just wanted to put up a quick video. This is just to show you that you don't have to buy expensive, like $30 kits to clean your headlights. As you can see, this headlight is basically trash. I mean, it's bad. And I've already done this one over here, so you can see that there's a big difference between the two. When you get out from it, you can definitely tell. But all you need is the mothers, the mag aluminum polish. You don't need any sandpaper, you don't need any of that junk. You get this stuff for like between $6 and $7 at Advance, and I'll show you what I did. It's just a quick video put out there, save you a little bit of money. Get you a little rag, and just put you a line on there. Okay. I'll show you just here in this little streak what I'm doing. I'll finish cleaning it up after I just post this video, but I just want to show you how good this stuff does. I mean, just take and rub it in. Get up here too. Rub it in. Take a clean part of your rag and go back over it. And you can do this as many times as you want, as many coats as you want, but you can see that's a big difference from what it is to that. So, like I said, it's just the Mother's Mag aluminum polish. Little cup here, that's all you need. And you save yourself some money. $6 and a rag, and you're done. Peace out.